don't think I've been this way. This is a pretty sharp ramp.
Don't ruin it.
Subscribe, you spaghetti noobs.
You serious? 25 to 53 probably.
Hey guys, SpaghettiNoob here. Today we have a great video for you. But before we get on to the video, please make sure you hit the like button. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you know when a new video is out. And with that said, let's get on to the video.
Whee! That's Donut Sun. Is there another one? Alright, just made my first stop. Went pretty well. He was in good spirits, which is good. I'm in good spirits, which is also good. This guy hopefully doesn't want to kill me. Oh, there's a guy really close to me. Oh, my bad. Speed limit was 50. I was trying to watch. Been watching my speed. I've been hearing a lot of people getting pulled over, getting asked where they're going, and that whole sort of thing. So, I mean, I almost always never speed unless I'm about to die and I need to accelerate quickly. But for the most part, I do not like speeding, especially on a bike. I mean excessive speeding, let me clarify. So like typically I will go faster than the flow of traffic, and that's mainly so I don't die. So like that guy in front of me was barely going 50. The guy behind me was going way faster than 50, and I had to somehow balance, and I kept finding myself at 40 again. But like I'll go faster. It don't matter freeway, highway, you know, as long as like if everyone around me is going say like 75, then I'll be going I'll be going 80 probably, you know. So I'll just ride with the flow of traffic, but you know, a little bit faster, sometimes slower. Mainly I try to plan my escapes away from, you know, the crazy drivers, the people who are super speeding. I mean, I don't really care for any of that. If they want to speed, they can go right ahead, but they're not gonna like force me to speed. So I'll just find a safe spot, get out of their way, and let them get a ticket. And most of the time I do see them. They'll get I'll see them pulled over like 1 or 2 miles down. It's just not worth it. I have had to go over the speed limit excessively only a few times in my life, and that was just you know, make sure that I wasn't dying. One time on the freeway, there was a carrier truck. I don't know if it was FedEx, UPS, or one of those, one of the large carriers. But anyway, they didn't even see me, and they were coming right into my lane. I was in the middle lane and they were in the rightmost lane, and they were coming right into my lane. So I had to quickly downshift, and I snapped back on that throttle. And boy, did I go. I mean, there was I couldn't make my escape. To the left of me, it was full. I couldn't make my escape really to the right of me. That's where he was coming from, and in front of him was full. I think he was trying to get away from the slow traffic. He didn't even see me. And usually when I drive, I mean, I like to leave a huge distance in front of me. And that distance is not for people to get in front of me. It's for safety, so that I can brake properly and maneuver and give myself extra reaction time. And some people don't understand that. They just think that's the way through. So he was probably just looking ahead and not looking at where I was at. supposed to turn there. Wow, this shopping place is empty. Well, not empty, but I guess it's pretty empty. Alright. Oh, there's a puppy in that basket. I guess I could have kept going that way, but I'm gonna hit another freeway sooner if I go this way. Plus the roads are empty and that took like a few seconds. I could have just like stood in the road, but yeah, I ain't about that life. As long as the sun stays up, this is good. Ugh, someone's smoking. Still can't believe people still smoke nowadays. It's probably for a whole nother video. Yeah, the freeway's right up here. I think my total trip was like 70 miles. I think that's what it was. I'll have to check it, but not too bad for the first ride. I don't think I've drove that much on a first ride ever. All of these stores are empty. It's the craziest thing. Alright, is it this one coming up? Hope I don't go in the wrong one. That'd be hilarious. There's no one behind me, so... Okay, no, I'm not going that way. That way is north. Alright. The ramp is right over here. It don't matter, there's no one behind me. I don't think I've been this way. This is a pretty sharp ramp.
Alright guys, that's it for now. Before I let you go, please make sure you hit the like button, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Thanks for now. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you and have a good day.